Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is another chicken Shangri-La I made. This is not mine. If you notice, I put this kind of opaque roof on it. Provides a little bit of shade. It's got a fence right there, and dug out and put metal in there so nothing dig. And the thing about it, as much precaution as I took, something's digging around in here. What? I don't know. Coop runs in here. They come out this door. This door kind of raises up and down, and then they just come around here, and they've got all back here as well. There's the duck pond and all that right next to them, so they can visit with their duck friends. And it's more than enough room. There's only 6 chickens in this, so they'll be happy. This is where I put the roof on it. It comes over to the fence. Eventually may want to put a water system of some sort to catch some rainwater, but may or may not, who knows. But it'll suffice, and actually they could double their amount of chickens. I got to put some perches in there, but I've got one more piece of roofing to put on and I'm done for today. But maybe give you some ideas, build you one. Thanks for stopping by. Sorry about the wind noise. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.